Okay, good morning everyone. Our topic for today is all about stepping up, exemplifying initiative, responsibility, and leadership through dance as a sport. I have given you an assignment, right? Yes. So what was your assignment? Okay, so but before that, we are going to read first our objectives for this morning. So who would like to read our objectives?
First is understand the importance of initiative and responsibility in activities.
Number 2.
Demonstrate leadership qualities during group preparation.
Okay, number 3.
Reflect personal contribution to the success of a sports-related dance activity.
Okay. Since you all knew that we need to have a classroom rule during our activity, so you are going to raise your hand whenever you wanted to answer, and then of course, respect when somebody is talking, you are going to listen, and of course, another one, if you could not express in your language, English language, then you could use dialect that you are comfortable with on how you are going to express your expressions in an essay form. So, first activity we have, what is this? Picture express. So, I want you to identify some of the pictures. It could be skill and technique, it could be physical demand, it could be competitions, judge performance, or teamwork. Okay? So, first picture. What do you think is this? Okay. Physical demand. Very good. Can you give me a number 2? What picture is this? Skills and technique. Skills and technique. Very good. And another one. What picture is this? Teamwork. Teamwork. Another one. This one.
Judge performance.
What? Later, you are going to judge your own performances in your assignment. So, for this part, you're going to go through your group with your assignment. So, you're going to go back with your groups right now. So, feel free to gather again. So, which area would you like to pressure? This will be for group 1. On this side, group 2 and center, and then 3 on that right side. So, group 1. Group 1, group 2. Group 1, group 2, then dito. Make a circle. Okay, make a circle din sa circle. So, first you are going to have an introspection. In this moment, so we are going to choose randomly. So, sana makaka-random tayo, but then we don't have any internet, no, na medyo malakas-lakas. So, sana meron tayong real name. The randomly you'll be selected as a participant to answer. It's either 1, 2, or 3 questions. So, okay, randomly. Okay, there are 3 questions. So, we'll see, meron sinta. Asan na yung ano? Dito mo na ang group 2. Asan ang 1, 2? Dito kayo? O, dito. Okay, we will sing the song, meron sinta, and then you are going to pass this breadsticks. And then whoever will have the quotes of the song, then he or she will
The leadership qualities that I noticed when we meet that video is I am the one who manage or find the dance and the music that we will be going to do. And then Precious Nicole, she is my assistant leader, and she was the one who decided what to wear. And then the next one is our secretary. Thank you so much. How in taking initiative or claiming responsibility affect the overall performance? You're taking initiative.
Ay, nag-motive kasi nag-initiative ma'am para malasan niya yung para tayong good na hindi kami makatrabaho. Kaya kung i-claim nila or initiative sila na magawa nila ng props or magawa ng steps, mas makabilis namin matapos yun.
Okay. Okay. What examples from the dance highlight this qualities?
Which is yung example po ng dance na stepping side. Ang mga marunong kay leadership qualities is to step with my members. So, mga slide suggestions ako ang mga stepping. So, ang mga stepping dito,
Okay, thank you so much. Now you are going to present your video presentation, and this is our rubric. Since I have sent it already in your GC, so that is the rubric for the 3-minute video presentation. Okay? So, have you seen the video?
Yes,
ma'am. Okay, so group number 1 going to present the video.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ay,
Okay,
Cafe. Cafe dapat. Cafe din sa amon.
Di ba ka dubay, magsagot tingana ba?
Ay.
Mas forward, Pete.
Forward na lang.
Ayun na guys, parang may dubay-dubay ninyo.
Sige. properly and contribute properly and have a more good outcome.
Okay.
Yes.
Very well said. Okay, next.
Next group.
I think it changed the outcome of our video because if it's not for the very that is we faced that time, with some of the rain, we were truly because they were
Oh, it's all about the leader itself. Okay, next group.
All of us kay nagkaroon like ang willingness to
And after the next activity, we're going step by step exploring dance through numeracy. So here, have you experienced any scenario that there are some of your classmates who haven't memorized yet the steps during the activity and have this difficulty in memorizing some steps? Okay, question number 1. Kindly read from this group.
Can you share a scenario where someone support the struggling technique with a dancer while doing the activity and what action you have taken to overcome and succeed in the video recording?
Okay, next question. Can you read?
Reviewing the recorded video. How effectively did you execute the signature dance step? Describe the timing, balance, coordination, and energy you use. And explain what adjustments you might consider for achievements.
Okay, for this question, every one of you, anyone from the group would answer. Okay? From you. Okay, who would like to answer number 1? You can share this through your own dialect.
There's a time ma'am na me myself, I'm struggling with some sequence of steps. So, si Vanyas, si Clark, and you know na medyo stress.
Can you remember that step? What is the
Ay,
typical step?
I-practicean na mo kasi practice makes improvement.
Yes.
Ito, we come up with a
Thank you, Ken. Next,
Number 1 right now. Number 2, describe how did you execute na-execute namin yung dance namin ng perfectly by doing practice. So before kami nag-dance na video ma'am, syempre pinakis namin siya again and again until natama namin ma'am. And then nag-usap kami that kung ano yung energy na isa, dapat yun din yung isa para balance kami sa isang video and it will look perfect for the
Wow! Okay. So next is we're going to reflect. So reflection is recording our insights. So in this time, we're going to pass. This is our token. It's a ball or token. So I prefer a pencil for your future references in quiz, exam, or artwork. So these are the questions. What are the key movements or actions observed in your group activity? And then number 2, how is the process behind the actions and decisions? So you're going to reflect, have an insight on this. Okay? So in this moment, so pwede natin ipasa ito, ikot ka, pwede ipasa doon, dito, hanggang doon, ipasa lahat. Okay, lahat na ng group involved. What's up? Meron, meron, sita. Go!
Meron, meron sita, buo ng papaya, nadadala ng gusto, sisita ng bunga, pagdating
recording. Okay, maybe here in one you share.
The moments are because
Wow!
ang may teamwork sa company ko slow of mayo ang
Yes, that's right. Teamwork. Excellent answer. The other pencil is Miss Pelayo. Okay, kindly start Miss Pelayo and then answer. How is the process behind the actions and decisions?
The process behind the actions and decisions we make, guys, is when it comes to synchronization, we practice again and again and again and again until mabuhat sa tanan, and wala na, practice makes perfect.
Now, here it's all about the leadership. What is the decision of the leader? Then it will be the final decision by the group. And everything is because of the leader that it makes your performances perfect. Congratulations again. Okay, next. So this is now the summary. So what is leadership? So leadership is, can you read please?
Leadership is the ability to persuade others to seek divine objectives enthusiastically. It is the human factor which binds a group together and motivates it toward goals. Leadership is the process of influencing behavior and supporting others to work enthusiastically towards achieving objectives.
Okay, how about initiative?
A new plan for dealing with a particular problem or achieving a particular purpose.
Example, United Nations is initiative. And then responsibility.
Basing decisions on practical wisdom and good sense. Being dependable in carrying out commitments and duties. And being accountable for one's words, behavior, and actions.
Wow, so you are accountable with all your behaviors and action. If you don't have right behavior and action towards your leader, towards your teammates, then you don't have a successful video recording. Am I right?
Yes.
A big clap to everyone. Okay, next. Synthesis and conclusion. Who could explain or volunteer him or herself and explain the importance of leadership, initiative, responsibility, and achieving the task? Even not only getting dance, sport, but then in whatever task you are dealing with your diet, it is love tasks, it is personal, educational tasks. What's it? What is it?
The importance of leadership, initiative, and responsibility, which is the leadership, it will be the, kumbaga, from the word leader, it means, mauna siya ang murag, kumbaga, mag-fix good sa groups, and also, para dili magkagulihan ang grupo, and also, ang initiative, which is to start something, kaya kung wala yung mag-initiate, mag-umpisa sa isa, wala. And also, as a responsibility mo, sila, ang responsibility mo, guys, you need to, sa responsibility para na, di mo sige, galis nga, isa sa ani, isa sa ana, and then also, magkaguli ako na, importante siya to leadership, initiative, and responsibility for, success outcome or powerful outcome or like,
Wow, powerful! Amazing, wonderful. Okay, bring them of real life, apply initiative, responsibility, and leadership beyond the dance floor. Beyond that activity that you have done, beyond that dance, sport, then what is the practical application of responsibility? Everything in our life, we have responsibilities. It will be personal, professional, or ethical. As a student, leader, how will you apply responsibility as an SSLG leader?
Responsibility, being accountable about my action and doing my best because public or my own students trust their trust with us. So we have to act according to tax release.
Thank you again. Another practical application for initiative. You can suggest in his or her real life situation. Makakon. Initiative when you have downloaded everything. That is your initiative. Ay, palakpakan natin. Thank you. Okay,
And
let's
now I
see.
know that potentially the role model since I have most of the roles since I have the myself. We can
Yes.
use so I can try each of them.
Okay, next. A leader. And this is different with the term boss and a leader. A leader is always with employees. A leader is always with motivate. A leader first should be a servant of himself, okay, or herself. So we feel valued when there is a good leader in everyone, even in the family, even in your relationship, in your team, in your group. Okay, so leadership is quite difficult to handle, but leadership will be. So I have given you your GC and assessment. So you are going to check it in your assessment part. So the learner have difficulty in printing the said assessment. So I will be the one to print it. Just tell me if you don't have any cell phone. Oh no, you have no cell phone. Everyone has cell phone, right? So you could access the link that I have given you in your GC. Then this is the assessment. So